Flat wngmani by Haste Gwnangwi puila beremo Animal Resource Development Department ni wngkha 23.50 crore malmata thujangnai rokno da Chief Minister Animal Resource Development Scheme ni bisingtei chuba sukhlainani naharjaka wansungmo koktishalo kaisa koktum panda khlai o koktuma rekha ARDD ni tangphang dipadiniar Puila beremni preliminary naitok mungo flat wngmani by Animal Resource Development Department ni wngkha 23.50 crore malmata thujangnai rokno da Chief Minister Animal Resource Development Scheme ni bisingtei chuba sukhlainani naharjangnai wansungmo koktishalo kaisa koktum panda khlai o koktuma rekha ARDD ni tangphang dipadinayar koktum panda o ARDD ni tangphang dipadinayar saka teilomani by thuika 1454 musuk wak thuika 1382 takhumtei tok thuika 2,53,500 Tilomkha Kaichuku farm. Our Haken poultry farm Hamia Unkha 28,037 Hanoi.
Top milk camps and her camp में there was a lot of animals that were accommodated and at present yesterday का जो report है we got about 8,581 number of animals in these shelters. इखाने हमारे जो vaccines and medicines stock तो हमारे का जो आचे जिटा we have tried to give to all the animals that has been brought into the camps. In addition to that, feed has also been supplied. In fact, जितना feed हमारे पास stock था 22 metric tons, 22,000 kilograms of feed has already been distributed through the camps, and green fodder to the tune of 4,000 kilogram में हमारा feed green fodder रो एक distribution करछे. Poultry जिटा आसे इटा रो antibiotic dose देता से deworming and pieces. Vaccines and medicines हमारे पास stock आछे. किंतु in case if the rains increases in the next 1 week, we are taking measures for immediate procurement of some additional quantity also in addition to the feed. So this is regarding the help that has been extended. In addition to which, they have assessed the damage. Damage का जितना हो जाए, इधर मूल about 23 crores assessment has been done for the Animal Husbandry Department, which includes death of cattle, goat, pig, farms, infrastructure that is affected, the goshalas, and then animal feed that has been damaged, fodder plots that has been damaged, medicines, etc. It's for some milake. Approximately about 24 crores we have kept as a damage, but I think that it will be definitely more than 24 crores. But as of now, the assessment is at 24 crores. So what are the packages that we are planning? It's like immediate relief. We have already a program called Mukhyamantri Prani Sampada Vikas Yojana. Jitate 20,000 rupees is the maximum benefit that is given for death. And there are other अनेक रकम जे last पुली आचे इटा मुद्दे आचे. So already this scheme हमारे का चाचे. So we will distribute immediately relief जो है we will distribute through the Mukhyamantri Prani Sampada Vikas Yojana. Therefore, Finance Department we will place a requisition for additional funds and also NDRF. Takunupti, I think we will be able to manage from the Mukhyamantri Prani Sampada Vikas Yojana. This is the compensation package. NDRF का पैकेज भी जो leaflet आपको दिया हुआ है उसमें NDRF का rates and other things are also very clear. Most importantly, ARDD department में सबसे बड़ा problem जो है post flood management. इधर लेके this is the continuous vaccination programs, deworming, prevention of diseases, safe disposal of carcasses, vitamin and mineral deficiency. This has to be very clearly and by way of an SOP हम ready करता है. And even जो cattle जो हमारे camp में जो आ रहा है इनको जो है we are already giving them the information regarding them and also giving them tablets, supplements, vitamins and all that. So this is a challenging task. Advisory is already there. We are procuring more medicines and we will be extending this support through the existing government schemes also. So that is with respect to Animal Husbandry Department.
Abo haikena to ilomani bage malmata relief camp jaka 148 aro tongo 8,581 musuk. Tabusak zora relief camp tongnai malmata rokno rizaka 22.1 ton chamung. Abo hai tongkhoro malmata thuijangnai rokno the Chief Minister Animal Resource Development Scheme ni bisingtei chuba chuklainani naharjangnai wansumung hone bo saka ARDD ni tangphang dipadi nayar. Raja Khorang ni shimi pronomni kok thum Chini Khorang.